Hey guys, Patrick needs to be Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Savannah Quarters. Beautiful area. If you've never been out here, it's right by the Costco, right by where all the Top Golf is going to be. You'll be close to the Tanger Outlets, easy to 16. But we're at 737 Blue Moon Crossing, and we've got Lisa Fawcett from Lennar Homes going to talk us through this home. It's a Bluffton model home, so let's just check it out. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm so excited to have you out here today and show you our featured home, which is the Bluffton floor plan. So come on in, let's take a look.
All right, I love these porches, big. Put some rocking chairs out here, love that.
Yeah, very southern.
That's hardy board, is that correct?
It is hardy board.
Nice.
Yeah.
So this is dining room area?
So yes, this is a formal dining room here. When you first walk in, you also have a study with doors. People are being able to work from home now, so that is really convenient.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes.
And this is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with 2,697 square feet, correct?
It is. It also has a loft up here, which is completely separated from the home. When you come in the garage, you can go up through into the loft area. So perfect for your teenager, college student.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Space.
Yeah.
This kitchen, I feel, is really nice. You have quartz countertops here. It's a gourmet kitchen, so you have soft close cabinets, your microwave oven in the wall. Butler's pantry, which goes into your dining room, which is a really nice feature.
Yeah. Let me ask you real quick, does it come with a refrigerator?
No, it does not come with a refrigerator.
Okay.
It comes with all appliances but your refrigerator, washer, dryer.
Okay, so you got your dishwasher right there, your range on your countertop. That's good. And this is like a storage right here, I see.
That's your pantry.
Pantry, nice. Man, that is great. I love the backsplash too, like the subway tile.
This house is made. It is move-in ready right now. It's got a $90,000 incentive on it, so somebody's going to get a great deal.
So how much is this one?
So this one is only $451,970.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
And this thing is huge.
It's got so much space in here.
Good
It's light, it's bright, lots of windows. And check out this covered patio.
Yeah, let's check this out.
You know, this backs out onto the woods, so it's nice and private out here. It's all screened in.
If you watch my other videos, you know sand gnats are brutal at 2 times in the summer. So having a screen porch in the morning and the afternoon, this is perfect.
Yeah, this is great.
I love that.
It's a nice outdoor space.
Let's go upstairs. All right, we're now upstairs. The 4 bedrooms, you say they're up here, right?
Yeah, so all of your bedrooms are up here. You have a full bath here, 3 bedrooms here. Your master is located by itself over there, and your laundry. So all the bedrooms, laundry is all upstairs.
Fantastic. You don't have to take your clothes downstairs.
That's right.
Just my nightmare every day.
Look at the view from the master.
I mean, look at how big this is. You can fit 2 king-size beds in here.
It's big.
It's big.
It's huge. And then look, this is like a suite in here with double sinks.
Oh yeah. You said it's cultural marble.
Cultured marble sinks.
Tile-in shower. I like the seating area right there. Let me ask you something, Lisa. So living in Savannah Quarters, what can they expect?
Oh, wow. Well, Savannah Quarters is all about lifestyle. So, you have top-notch amenities here. You have the gym, you have a swimming pool, which has all kinds of activities. They have movies out there. The food is amazing at the country club.
Oh,
so
yeah, okay.
If you're a golfer, this is definitely where you want to be.
And then the pools, I saw the slides they got out there.
Oh
It's
my gosh.
pretty amazing.
It's amazing. It's got a beach entry. It's got the slide that you can, go down, and the kids love it.
Yeah,
Adults love it. They even have their own swim team here.
Oh, serious? For Savannah Quarters?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's definitely a fun place to be.
And then you're, like I said, close to everything. Publix right out the gate.
There's so much happening down here. You have your Publix. You have small cakes, crumble cookies, which is...
Oh, crumble cookie, yeah. Oh.
I know, lots of things.
Yeah.
Actually, that are a very convenient location for sure.
And then I heard they're putting that Top Golf place. I don't know if it's actually Top Golf, but it's a golf driving range arcade thing.
Yes.
Dave and Buster's just opened up.
I know. It's Kangaroo's right down the road.
It's crazy. Yeah, this is a great location. Great location. And then not to mention, if you want to go downtown, 16's right there.
It's right there.
Right there.
It is right there. 95 is right there. 16 is right there. 15 minutes to downtown Savannah.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic.
Yes.
That's great. Well, there's all the rooms. Let's go check out that other loft thing.
All right.
Well, I guess you would say the 5th bedroom if you want.
Yeah.
We just came down the stairs from upstairs. I just didn't want to miss this half bath on the first floor. So let's go upstairs. All right, now we're at the top of the stairs, and look at this.
Isn't this an amazing size room?
I don't even, like, it's just on the other side too, like you said. Oh my goodness.
I know, it's completely separate. Put the kids up here, movie night. This could be like a theater room or something.
Yeah, this could be almost anything.
Yeah, you could. I mean, it's light, bright.
I love it. So all rooms come with carpet, correct?
Correct.
All right.
The bedrooms are carpet.
All right. So that was the Bluffton floor plans from Lennar Homes in Savannah Quarters, but Lisa's going to tell us about some other incentives and some deals they got going on from Lennar Homes. So, all right, Lisa, so you said there's a few other homes in this area that have deals going on.
Yep.
Can you talk about that, please?
Yeah, so we have 10 different floor plans that anywhere from $40,000 up to $90,000 incentives right now. If you go with Lennar Lender, you can also get an additional $5,000 toward your closing costs. They have all kinds of different financing as far as FHA, conventional, VA, all different rates between 5.25, I believe they're up to 6.5 right now, varying, but they're going down, which is a good thing.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Like I said, we have so many, we've got move-in homes, we've got homes coming available in the next couple of months. We've got 10 different floor plans. We're in Savannah Quarters. So.
Yeah. So let me, Lisa, if they want to get a hold of you, what's your number?
Yes, my number is 843-816-0217.
And of course, if you guys have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Talk soon. Bye.